bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. Today is Wednesday, 13th October 2021, and right now it's 6:50 a.m. In today's video, I'll be vlogging for you guys. I'll be doing a day in the life of a Nigerian medical student. So I'll be taking you guys through the activities I have for today. Like today, I have lectures from 8 to 10. Then from 10 to 1, I have clinical postings. Then from 1 to 3, I have lectures again. If there are any changes in my activities, I'll let you know in the vlog. And I'll try as much as possible to vlog as much as I can, because I don't think I'll be able to vlog all the processes I'll be going through today. And I came down this early so I can make this intro for you guys. Right now, we're waiting for our driver to come so we can head to school. A few persons are down already, others are still getting ready. But me, I am an early bird. Yeah, so please stick around and watch this vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, it's been a while.
She's right there, I can't deny the beauty before my eyes. I can't help but fall in line, 'cause there's truth in her lies. Once again, I've lost my way, chasing cars and wasting days. Am I here to pass your time? 'Cause all I see are blurred lines. Am I just chasing dreams? 'Cause it's not what it seems. Have I read between the lines? Those blurred lines, those blurred lines. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? I must be blind to think that I could steal her heart and change her mind. Fantasy, I realize that there's truth in her lies. Once again, I've lost my way, chasing cars and wasting days. Am I here to pass your time? 'Cause all I see are blurred lines. Am I just chasing dreams? 'Cause it's not what it seems. Have I read between the lines? Those blurred lines, those blurred lines. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Chasing
Okay guys, right now we are done with the lectures we had and we are heading to FMC for clinical postings. So see you.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile,
Okay, so right now guys, we are done with our posting for today. Today we're in the respiratory department and we did basically history taking for the respiratory system, right? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the class.
Very well.
Yeah, posting was nice and right now we'll just be doing other stuff to keep us busy till when we get back for lectures.
Yeah,
bye! Okay guys, right now we're on our way to clerk a patient. We're asked to clerk a patient. That's basically taking history of the patient. So right now guys, we are done clerking our patients and we are heading to the bus so we can get back to class and continue with the lectures we have. Hope you had a great time doing that.
Yes, it was actually fun and we learned a lot of new things too.
Yeah, thank you. So see you.
Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play, but maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows. I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we were saving. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Okay guys, we are going back to the hostel because the lecture we were supposed to have was cancelled. So we are heading back. Yeah, I'm hungry, sir. I'm very hungry right now. So when I get to the hostel, I'm going to buy food. Yeah. Yeah, you look so fine in this video. You guys want to buy? What food will you buy? Yeah, I'm making a video. I'm not snapping. Rice, moi, rice and meat. So Kate and Adobe are going to get moi, rice and meat, right?
200 naira.